Today, I'll be staying at the worst rated hotel that I found in Hawaii. I traveled all the way across TripAdvisor and Yelp, and I finally found the hotel right behind me. So before we check in, let's go ahead and read some of the friendly reviews. I wouldn't give them any stars if there was an option. This place is ghetto and looks nothing like the pictures they post online. Do not stay here. Worst hotel ever. This place is disgusting. There are roaches everywhere, not what you see in the pictures, very run down and dirty. This hotel is by far the worst experience I've ever had. Under normal circumstances, ideally that's not what you like to hear about the hotel that you're literally about to go and check in. So without further ado, I guess we're just gonna have to face our fear and go and check in. Hello.
Hi, yes sir.
I was wondering if I could check in a little bit early. Thank you so much, appreciate it. Okay, so it looks like we finally made it to the room. And first impression of this place before getting into the details is the smell. And the smell, it's not really a bad thing, but it's also not a good thing either. Like it smells like pine saw, perhaps, I think that's what it is. Or it's some sort of like cleaning supplies, I wanna say, which is a good sign. It means that there was cleaning that was done in this room, or perhaps the presence of cleaning product was at least in this room. But I guess we'll find out how good of a job they cleaned in a little bit. As soon as you open the door, in front of you, we have some ironing paraphernalia, which I'm not sure you guys would use. I definitely wouldn't use that. And then we have the bathroom, which we're not gonna go over just yet. Take a look to the left and bam, there's this bad boy that we'll be sleeping in tonight, the King Deluxe. Then to the right of the bed, we have this lovely looking nightstand that I'm sure has seen better days before. And let's see if the light even works. Yes, it does work, and it's a nice white light. And let's see if it comes with a whole, there's no Bible, which I don't know if hotels do anymore, but it looks like we really will be on our own for tonight. Now, as we turn around in front of the room, or at least in front of the bed, we have quite a lot going on here. A dresser where to put all your clothes in. Let's take a look inside. I'm definitely not gonna be putting anything inside of here. Oh God. That wasn't like the worst smell that I've smelt by any means, but it was like a big whiff of old library books, I guess you could say, and I took a big old, like a mouth breath there, and just really, that combined with the pine saw just marinated in the back of my throat, and that's why I coughed. Sorry, it's not like that bad of a smell, it just surprised me more than anything. We have a refrigerator here, which is a plus, and it's like barely even on. I mean, it says coldest. Yeah, but being cold is kind of an overstatement. Even the freezer portion is, I mean, that part's more like a refrigerator, but definitely not like a freezer. Again, I won't be using, I should probably wash my hands. Oh God. And much like the refrigerator, it's nice to have a microwave in here, which honestly, I was not expecting a microwave to look this clean. I mean, you have a little, I guess, was it like stains on that white part there. I am honestly very shocked by this. Like, that is a relief to see, even though I won't be using this at all. I wouldn't even use the ones on my college campus. I do not like public microwaves. But if you are the type of person that would use this after you heat up your nice Pop-Tarts or oatmeal, you could go ahead and eat it here on this lovely corner table with two accompanying chairs, which, is that a stain? Seems to be like a rip. Okay, definitely used chairs, I would say. And while we're looking at the chairs, the floor is something that I want to talk about, which honestly does not look bad. It's not like marble or anything, but at the same time, I am not gonna put my bare feet on this ground. I mean, maybe I mean, it feels sticky already with my slippers on, but dude, I really don't want to. Honestly, not that bad. I'm not doing it again, but not as sticky as I thought a worst rate hotel floor would be. course, we have a mirror here as we make our way back to the bathroom, which when I took a first glance inside, honestly, not bad, right? There we go. That is not bad whatsoever. We have a toilet with a towel. Okay, here we go. Clean. I don't like touching this. Clean. Another one of these real quick before we continue. Before I go over those cleaning supplies and the blacklight tests and the other tests that I'll be running on this hotel room, I want to show you one of the more important parts of any hotel room, which is its view. And take a look at this. As I mentioned earlier, I did bring a few bit of goodies with me because that was the first part of the room tour where we just covered the surface level. But we're gonna dig deep now, blacklight tests, and let me just show you what I brought with me. Inside of my handy dandy emergency survival kit, I went ahead and brought gloves. Definitely need those for this next step that we are about to do. A black light, which will be fun. The safety goggles that we need for the black light because, you know, we need to be safe. This side, we have, boom, candle. The lighter, Lysol wipes, as will be, oh, Clorox, sorry. And worst comes to worst, we have this, which is gonna be a lifesaver, a sleeping bag. First things first, let's go ahead and put ourselves in the mood with some mahogany and make this place smell just a little bit better than it did before. As I put on this safety equipment, I realized that we have one more place to look that we have not quite looked, and it does relate to the bed, which we will do right after this. And we haven't checked under the bed quite yet. I want to say there's nothing. Oh God. Ew, oh, what the hell is that? Wait. Okay. What is that? It looks like, oh, I don't like touching this. It's like a Slim Jim, or it feels like a Slim Jim. It's limp, looks spicy. There's a hair on it. Oh my God. It does not smell good. It does not smell good. I'll tell you that much. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's like, what is that? I want to see it's like squid. There's another one back there. I don't know if you see it. Oh my God. There's another one. What the hell, man? This one's got more hair. Oh. Someone tell me in the comments below what this is. Honestly, that was a food thing. Not terrible, right? I mean, it just fell on the back of the, you know, they're just having like a late night snack, right? Maybe they're reaching over here. They're trying to find the Bibo, couldn't find it, settled for the dried squid or whatever instead, the fruit roll-ups, munching on it, and happened to drop two. Best case scenario. Okay. I wonder if I should change gloves, but we're not done yet. We need to lift up the bed. I don't think that really accomplished much. What we're gonna do though, I'm working up a sweat, is pull off the sheets. I don't see anything to the naked eye, but we have to go one layer deeper. Move the pillows. I just realized I'm touching everything that I touched with that Slim Jim glove. Oh no. Take over this. Okay, there's another sheet. What is, there's a, oh, I thought that was a towel. Okay, well there is a towel in case of bodily fluids so we could soak it up. And speaking of bodily fluids, coffee perhaps? 1 pillow, 2 pillow. It's nice that they have so many pillows. 6 pillows. I'm a fan of that. 1 layer. Oh, wait. Well, this side's got some hair. Keep on going. Oh, another stain. This one's more yellow in hue. What could that be? All in all though, that's on like a layer where you're not gonna be sleeping or touching at all. Oh, that was a mistake. Not worth making. So the first round of our investigation, I guess is a success so far, but again, we need to look at the details that we cannot see. And that is where the black light comes in. Hopefully this guy will shine some light, literally, on what we have going on in this hotel. And yes, I had to wear these goggles just in case I don't want to get sunburned on my eyeballs. God, I am scared to see what we find. I think we should start with the bathroom perhaps though, because oh my gosh. Oh, and we already see an orb. What? Oh, that's like a, that's the door stop, so the door handle doesn't go. What is that? I feel like I am in CSI or like Scooby-Doo or something. Wow, this is so cool. I've never used one of these before. Sink. Not bad. I think there is nothing on the sink. Toilets, which is another concern. That's the toilet paper. Nothing? There's nothing on the toilet. Are you kidding? That's impressive. I would have thought for sure there's something on the toilet. So, bed. So far, so good, right? The bed is honestly not as bad as I would have thought, to be honest. No offense, like, I didn't have like a prejudice on this room before coming in, but at the same time, it's the worst rated hotel in Hawaii, so I mean, I kind of assumed something. Alright, so that concludes our blacklight test, which I am surprisingly pleased to say it came out negative. There was nothing really that we could find with the blacklight. So, I think they did a good job of cleaning this place. Again, all leads back to the Pine Sol. However, there is another test that I want to do before we move on to the next part, which is the tap water test. I just realized I was wearing these. The next test that we're gonna do is the tap water test, because here in Hawaii, we could actually drink our tap water and it doesn't taste that bad. As a matter of fact, if you have never tasted hose water before, as a kid probably, and you live in Hawaii, that is something to be ashamed about. All right, so now we have gathered our little water sample here, and I must say, how does that look? It's pretty clear, right? I'm more concerned about the cup itself and if they cleaned it or not. So I don't want to put my lips on it. Although the water I am drinking or about to drink is already in it, I'm gonna waterfall, or at least attempt to waterfall. It actually doesn't smell that good. I would definitely buy water from a convenience store, Walmart, literally anywhere before drinking this, I would think. Another cool thing that comes with this hotel are 2 amenities, the fitness center and the pool. I do want to check out the pool. Honestly, it's a decent pool. It's got 2 jacuzzis, barbecue area, and a huge lanai, and it's not that bad. Okay, I just finished up with the pool, and despite it being absolutely freezing cold, which has nothing to do really with the pool, I mean it's not heated, but it's just a windy day and kind of a cooler night than usual, that's all that I really have to say about the pool. I was pleasantly surprised, and it seems to be like that is the whole, I guess, theme, if you want to say, about this hotel. Pleasantly surprised. Like, it's not too bad. It's nothing to write home about by any means, but at the same time, I wouldn't call it the worst hotel ever. Okay, well that's not, but I wouldn't say it's the worst hotel in Hawaii, at least from my experience so far. The reviews that I read, at least, made it seem like a lot worse of a place to stay in. But there's one last thing to do. I'm gonna go head up to the room, relax for a little bit, and we're gonna have to sleep. Not really looking forward to that part. I'm sure it'll be fine, but I'll see you up in the room. The time has come. I am now finally ready for bed, and this is the first time I've put my whole body weight on the bed itself. There is some squeaking to it, but other than that, I mean, it's not that uncomfortable. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hopefully I make it through the night. Unfortunately, my time here has come to an end. I could say though that I am overall pleasantly surprised with my experience here. I would say that a 1-star rating is a bit harsh, at least from my experience. Personally, I think I would give this place a 2.5 to maybe 3 stars. A 3-star review from Chase Yokoyama. But if you wanted to have more of an elevated experience, you're gonna have to for sure spend more money than what you paid here. Or at least, sorry, go to another hotel. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, you know, videos where I'm out in the field and not just in my bedroom back home. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Shoots.